You wake up, you check your phone, you see everyone else winning while you're still in bed. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. And you're sitting there wondering, why can't I just do it? Why do I feel so stuck? Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just caught in a trap. That's stealing your motivation every single day. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why you feel this way, and more importantly, how. To fix it, stay with me. Listen, I've been exactly where you are, staring at assignments I couldn't start, watching videos about productivity while doing nothing productive, feeling guilty every single night because I wasted another day. But then I learned something that changed everything. Motivation isn't something you find, it's something you build. And once you understand the 3 hidden reasons killing your motivation right now, everything becomes easier. So let's break this down. No fluff, no theory you won't. Use just real solutions you can apply today. Let's go. The problem, your motivation dies before you even leave your bed. And here's why. The first hour of your day controls everything that comes after. But most students, they open their eyes and immediately grab their phone. Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. You're scrolling through everyone else's highlight reel. Before you've even stood up, your brain sees all these people crushing it, and subconsciously, it thinks everyone's already ahead. What's the point? This is called comparison paralysis, and it's killing you. The science, when you scroll first thing in the morning, your brain releases dopamine. That's the motivation chemical. But here's the catch. You're using it up on meaningless content. So when it's time to study or work, your brain has nothing left. You feel flat, empty, unmotivated because you already spent your motivation budget on reels. The fix, here's what you do. Step 1. Tonight, charge your phone outside your bedroom. Seriously, in another room. If you can't do that, put it across the room, not next to your bed. Step 2. When you wake up, don't look at it for 30 minutes. Just 30. Drink water, stretch, take a shower, give your brain a clean start. Step 3. Do one small win before checking anything. Make your bed. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Do 10 push-ups. Anything that makes you feel productive, because motivation follows action, not the other way around. You don't need to feel motivated to start. You start. And then motivation comes. Try this tomorrow morning, just once, and watch how different your whole day feels. The problem, okay? You made it through the morning, but now it's 2 p.m. and you feel like a zombie. Your brain is foggy, your body is heavy. You can't focus on anything, and you think, I'm just not a productive person. Wrong. This isn't about you. It's about how you're treating your body. The science, your brain runs on glucose and oxygen. When you skip meals, eat junk, or sit in one place all day, your brain literally doesn't have the fuel to keep you motivated. Studies show that after 90 minutes of continuous work, your focus drops by 50%. 50%. And if you're not moving your body, your blood flow slows down. Less blood to the brain means less energy. Less energy means no motivation. It's that simple. The fix. Here's your afternoon reset formula. Step 1. Eat real food, not chips, not instant noodles, something with protein and carbs, eggs, chicken, rice, fruit. Your brain needs fuel, not sugar crashes. Step 2. Move your body every 6090 minutes. Walk around your room. Do jumping jacks. Stretch for 2 minutes. Get your blood flowing. Step 3. Take a power nap if you're really struggling. 15 to 20 minutes. Set an alarm. Don't feel guilty. Even Einstein took naps. And here's a secret weapon, the 5-minute rule. When you don't want to do something, tell yourself you'll do it for just 5 minutes. That's it, just 5. Most of the time, you'll keep going, because starting is the hardest part. Your brain just needs permission to begin. Give it that permission. The problem, it's 7 p.m. You look back at your day, you didn't do what you planned. Again, and that voice in your head starts, you're so lazy you'll never make it. Why even try? This is the worst part, not the lack of productivity, but the guilt, the shame, the feeling that you're failing at life. And this is what truly kills motivation. The science, here's what's happening. When you beat yourself up, your brain releases cortisol. The stress hormone, cortisol, literally, blocks motivation. It puts your brain in survival mode. And in survival mode, you can't think long term. You can only seek comfort, so you scroll. You binge. You eat junk, not because you're weak, but because your brain is trying to escape. The pain you're causing it, self-criticism, doesn't motivate you. It paralyzes you. A fix. Here's how you break the cycle. Step 1. Stop the negative self-talk. Right now, would you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself? No. So why do it to yourself? Step 2. End each day with a win list. Write down 3 things you did today. Anything counts. You woke up. You ate. You watched this video. Progress isn't perfection. It's just moving forward. Asterisk. Step 3. Prepare for tomorrow before you sleep. Write down 1 thing you'll do tomorrow, not 10. 1. And make it stupid simple. I will study for 10 minutes at 9 a.m. That's it. Give your brain a clear target. And here's the most important thing. Forgive yourself. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're just learning. Every single successful person you admire struggled with motivation. Every single one. The only difference, they kept showing up anyway. The deep truth now, let me tell you something, nobody else will. The real reason you feel unmotivated, it is because you don't know why you're doing this. You study because you're supposed to. You work because everyone else is. You chase goals that aren't even yours. And your brain knows it. Your brain is smart. It won't give you energy for things that don't matter to you. So the question isn't, how do I get motivated? The question is, what actually matters to me? The fix? Take 10 minutes today. Turn off everything. Turn off everything. Double quotes. If I could design my life exactly how I wanted it, what would it look like? Not what your parents want, not what looks good on Instagram. What do you want? What makes you feel alive? Because when you find that motivation isn't a problem anymore, you'll wake up with fire. You'll push through hard days. You'll keep going. When others quit, not because you're disciplined, but because you actually care. Find your why, and everything else becomes easier. Look, feeling unmotivated doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. But here's what separates the people who change their lives from the people who stay stuck. Action, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. So here's what I want you to do right now, not tomorrow. Now pick one thing from this video, just one. Charge your phone outside your room tonight. Take a 5-minute walk this afternoon. Write down your win list tonight, just one thing. Because motivation isn't built in one big moment, it's built in 1,000 tiny decisions. And all the way through, that's progress. You're already moving forward. Keep going. You're closer than you think. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, so I can keep making content that actually helps you win. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because we all need reminders sometimes. You've got this. Now go build the life you actually want. I'll see you in the next one.